Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Canan and I am so hyped, you guys. Oh my gosh. Today I am going to unbox this year's Essie Advent Calendar. So the last time I got the Essie one was like 2018 and it's 2020 now and I finally got one again. So if you want to see what's in there, then just keep on watching. Guys, like the packaging is so sweet. It looks like a nail polish bottle, and you guys know that I love a good nail polish, especially the Essie ones. Like, they are the best, honey, the best. So this one comes with this like stand-up thing right here, and you can basically just put it on display or like the desk or anything, and it is so handy. How cool is that? Oh god, and it is like so heavy, and I really hope that there's going to be a lot of like full-size nail polish bottles. So let's just open this one. I guess it's well wrapped. You basically just have to use some scissors to cut it open. I am so hyped. Oh my gosh, there's like tiny boxes in it for like each door, or like each door. And I just opened my next Advent calendar and it was like the same, like not the same design, but like it had like single boxes. I'm basically just going to rip this open now because I'm a lazy person, and isn't Christmas about opening your gifts like this? Oh my gosh, this is quite heavy. I really hope. Oh, like the numbers on each door are so pretty, and the design is gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so this is what the Essie Advent Calendar of 2020 looks like. It says Essie Workshop on it, and it's just so sweet. And I really like these like green and red like design of it. Plus you can see like the numbers on each box so easy, which I struggled with on the next Advent calendar, unfortunately. But like this Essie one looks so sweet. This one costs 50 euro, by the way, and I think it's always at like 50 euro. And I'm basically just going to start with number 1. Oh gosh, it's just so sweet. Look at it. Oh god, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a full-size one. The shade is called Second Hand First Love. Oh my gosh, it's one of the expressies. I never had these before. Oh gosh, you guys, I love it already. It's so sweet. It's a quick drying nail polish and it looks so amazing. It's got this like nudish rosy toned shade, which I love. Next we're going for number 2. And it's right here. So let's open this one and just see what shade is in here. And this one is called, oh, this is a tiny one, but it's like pinkish or nudish as well. This shade is called, what are you called? Not Just a Pretty Face. Ooh, this looks as if it would be see-through, but I'm not too sure about it yet, but it just looks so sweet. Basically just going to close these boxes and put it right to the like whole Advent calendar because it just looks so sweet. I don't want to throw it away. Number 3. Number 3 is next, and it just looks so sweet with this like bell on top. Oh, this is a clear coat, I guess. This is a Strong Start. Okay, so the name actually says what it is, right? I think this is like a undercoat, and then you put on like a nail polish and then a top coat. I love it. I always use these, so I really recommend it during like the winter time when you're wearing like bold and dark shades. It just helps and like makes your nails stay clean. Now I'm heading off to number 4, and these boxes are literally so sweet. Oh gosh, this is so, oh my gosh, this is a cute one. This is the shade Fairy Tale. This is what it looks like. You guys, this is like a pale pastel pink. It looks so stunning. It matches like every makeup or outfit. I think you can't go wrong with these. Plus, I love these like twisted bottles. They are stunning. I think 2 years ago I had like 2 of these like twisted ones in my advent calendar and I was just like freaking out because they are so sweet. And now I'm freaking out whenever I see like these expressy ones. So I really hope there's going to be some more. So this is store number 5 and this is a regular huge one. This shade is called She's Pampered and it looks red. Is it red? I think this is a classic red with like a pink undertone and it looks hella cute, you guys. Super festive. You can rock this with like the same shade of lipstick maybe, and it's just so cute, you guys. That was number 5. We are heading off to number 6 and there's so many more. Oh my god. Whoa. So number 6 is actually a huge one. I'm so excited about this one. What's that? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is like a weekly planner. It says, hello week, let's do this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love weekly planners so much. And this is just like awesome. This was number 6, right? Number 7, my favorite number, probably. I'm going to open you now, and this is a tiny one, and like, ooh, it's like a white one. It says Allure. I don't think that I own this one. It looks stunning. I love like a good white one. I always use Blank, which is the best white nail polish that I own from Essie. So now we are heading off to number 8. I don't want to open all of them that fast because they're just like so pretty and they own so much more appreciation, but they get it. Oh my gosh, is it a top coat? There's a sticker on top, so I don't really know, but I think, oh my gosh, this is the gel setter top coat from Essie and it looks hella good. Oh gosh, it looks like thick, just as it says, it's gel. You guys, I'm so excited to try this, and the bottle is like full size and there's just like so much in it, right? I love it. Oh my gosh, this is like the best advent calendar ever, hands down, ever. I just love it already. Okay, let's open number 9. I get way too excited about this advent calendar, and I think this is nail oil or like cuticle oil. Yes, it's the apricot oil, and 2 years ago they put like the full-size bottle of it in the advent calendar. I'm sorry, I've been talking all day long. In the advent calendar, and I loved it. It was really, really good, but mine got so old that I basically just threw it away and got a new one, but I didn't like that one. I can't remember the brand, but like this one, mwah, love it. I am so happy so far because all the things are new to me, like except for like the cuticle oil. But as I said, I don't own it anymore, so that's pretty cool. I think I'm at number 10. Is it 10? I think it is. Let's open number 10, right? So this one feels kind of empty. Oh, there's cards in here. And it's from the same brand as the weekly planner. So let's open these. It says ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, and it's wonderful. It's a wonderful time, I'm sorry. And oh, that's sweet. There's also a 20% gift code of the things from this brand, which is called Oder nicht oder doch, which is a German brand. This is kind of funny. So cute. Number 11. Honey, you are next. I'm rocking this one. Oh my gosh, I love it already. Is it orange? Oh my gosh. No, it's red. Okay, I'm gifting this to my mom because she loves a good red. This shade is called Really Red. And honey, it is really red. Look at this. I'm so sad that it's only like a tiny one, but I'm pretty sure that my mom is going to love this one. Oh gosh, I'm so confused. But I think we are heading off to number 12 of this year's Advent calendar. Oh gosh, you guys. This is stunning. And it's another red. Oh, this one is beautiful. It says, Maki me happy. Maki me happy. That's cute. It's like a little darker than the red shade that I've just unboxed. But it's so sweet. I love it. During the autumn and winter season, it's like super festive and classy, you know, to pop on your nails or your toenails. That's sweet as well, right? Oh gosh, that was number 12, you guys. I really don't want to open all of these because I'm like so happy already. Oh, that's enough already. Oh my gosh. It's a nail polish remover. I had this one before as well and it's pretty good, but the full-size bottle is so expensive. I'm not going to buy it ever because I'm only like using the drugstore ones, but it's so good still. So I'm pretty happy that I got this one. I'm going to open number 14 and this is a tiny one again. And this shade is called Allure again. What? Didn't I just open one of these? What? You guys, something is wrong right here. So they put like the same two nail polishes in this Advent calendar, which costs 50 euro. Why do they do that? I am like so confused. Like both of it is Allure or Allure, I don't know. What the? I'm just like so confused. I need to like check the instructions to see if this is like their fault, like a mistake or something. That's sad. That was just disappointing. Okay, even though I like the shade. We are heading off to number 16 and it's a tiny one again, which is sad. But it's gorgeous and I think I own this shade already. This one is called... I don't know, it does not even have a name on it, but I think I own this one already. It's like bronze tone and it's like metallic and shimmery and cute and I love it. I think you can match this with like the red nail polish the best. Oh, you guys, I'm just so sad now. I hope this one is bigger because it like seems... Oh my gosh! Another Expressi. Okay, I'm in love. Okay, hands down. I love it. This is blue. This is like my shade. I mean, look at this. It's just so sweet. It matches me and my hair. And okay, I love it. So I'm going to open number 18 and it's a big one as well, but it seems empty. What? What is that? Look at the size of it. And now look at what's in here. Like a pencil. Really? In this huge box. Why? It says make today amazing on it and it's just this tiny. This is disappointing, Essie, unfortunately. This is so sad. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot number 15. It was just like on my desk, so I forgot it. And I think, is it washi tape? This is washi tape. It says Merry Christmas and love for you on it, I guess. And ho 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 and stuff like that. It's just from the same like German brand again. And like the washi tape is sweet. I like that one. It's like this minty color and this one is sweet actually. But this like pencil thing kind of confuses me. Whew, let's open number 19 and just see. Okay, this one feels heavy again and it's a full-size bottle. And it is my favorite color. color from Essie. Oh my god. This is blank. This is the shade I was just like talking about. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. This is like the best white you will ever find for like your days. This is so good. I bought like the Sally Hansen one because it's way more expensive, like a little more expensive than Essie. And I was just like, okay, so Essie, you got me. But what if the Sally Hansen one is better? And it's not. It's blah. It's just disgusting and I hate it and I'm never going to buy it ever again. Even though her other nail polishes are good, but that white one is just like super disgusting. But this one is just, well, I am freaking out. I love this one and I'm so happy they finally put this in here. Blank is the best. Number 20, you are next. It's a full-size one again. It is called Ballet Slippers and I think I own this one already. And it's see-through and just like pastel pink. It's cute. There's so many pink shades in here. And like natural ones. I wanted like some bold shades like for Christmas, you know. But it's still cute. Not everyone likes like the bold shades. And this one, you guys, it's going to disappoint me, I know it. What is that? Why did they... Excuse me, like it's cute to collaborate with like smaller brands, but what's that? Why is there a calendar in here? It says time for new adventures and this is just like boring. I don't need this. That's just like paper, you know, it's not even like some quality calendar or anything for 2021. It's just boring. It's just paper. It's...
Can I say here? I can't write because that's just rude.
But it's literally just paper, like what? This shade is gorgeous. So this is store number 22 and this one is like this burgundy dark red. The shade is called Bordeaux. Oh, it's Bordeaux red then. It's just so sweet. I love this one. And this is the bold dark shade that I was asking for. I want more of these, please. Number 23. I hope you're a nail polish. You feel heavy. Oh, I love this one. I got this in like the 2018 Advent Calendar already. This is the Platinum Great Finish top coat from Essie and this is the full-size bottle and it's so good. It's really so good. I love it. I use it like almost every day. Like not every day. I'm not putting on nail polish every day anymore. I used to do that once, like in school. I used to really do that, but not anymore. And I really hope there's a nail polish in here. Number 24 is the last draw of this year's Essie's Advent Calendar and I really hope that it's a full-size nail polish. And it is. The shade is called Scarlet O'Hara. It looks kind of orange or red, but I'm going to unbox it and just reveal the shade. And it is the most beautiful red with glitter in it I've seen so far. Honestly, so gorgeous. I love it. And well, this is basically just what the box looks like now. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell as well to get notifications on whenever I post a new video again. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!